Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to update squads in EA Sports FC 25. Let's get started. From the main menu, go to Settings in the top left corner, then select Edit Teams. Look for Download Updates. Press X on PlayStation or A on Xbox. Then select Yes to download the latest squad updates. Your game will automatically update to the newest team and players. Another way to update squads is when you start a new career mode. Before starting, the game will give you an option to download the latest squads. Then, make sure to select it to have all teams up to date from the beginning. This ensures you're always playing with accurate squads and player stats. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.